But let's move on now. There is more politics, but this is about a very, very serious case. A case, in fact, that again tells you that nothing changes. If you're the high and mighty, you belong to the influential class, you can actually get away with absolutely anything. Just weeks after the Pune Porsche crash has numbed the entire nation, you have another chilling hit-and-run case that has once again put the focus on the need for strict laws against reckless drivers. Now, on Sunday, what happens is that a couple from the fisherman community were on their way back home in Mumbai when a four-wheeler BMW is just ramming into this couple. The incident reported at about 5:30 a.m. on Sunday when the couple was on a bike. They were passing by the Atria Mall in Worli area. The injured couple is immediately rushed to a hospital where the woman, all of 45, identified as Kaveri, succumbs to her injuries. She loses her life. But what happens later? You have a political link that has now emerged in the case. Times Now has learned that the vehicle belonged to the Shiv Sena leader by the name of Rajesh Shah. While he wasn't in the vehicle at the time of the accident, but his driver and his son are both present. His son is Mihir Shah. Today, no one knows where he is. There is a lookout notice also that has been issued against him. The Mumbai police have made the first arrest in the case. The Shiv Sena leader and the driver have now been arrested, but the son is still missing. Where is he? No one knows. There are 6 teams that have been formed to locate him.
गाड़ी में जो अभी तक इन्वेस्टिगेशन में निष्पन्न हुआ है, उस समय गाड़ी में एक राजश्री बिड़ावत और दूसरा जो है मिहिर शाह, ऐसे 2 व्यक्ति थे, जिसमें से राजश्री बिड़ावत हमारे पास है। राजेश शाह ने क्या शराब पी रखी थी और कहां से वो निकला? जैसा कि मैंने आपको पहले बताया, इसके बारे में इन्वेस्टिगेशन चालू है। एफआईआर दाखिल हो चुकी है और इन्वेस्टिगेशन में जो कुछ भी निष्पन्न होगा उसके आधार पे आगे की कार्रवाई होगी। क्या जुहू में वो पाया गया? इन्वेस्टिगेशन इसके बारे में जारी है।
So maybe the police has no idea where Mihir is. He's untraceable. But look at what has been captured in a CCTV footage that has been accessed by Times Now. Now, this is an image that has come in just from late last night. Parts of it you see on your screens. If you look very closely, this again is a supercar in which he just steps out and he's coming out from a pub. Now, clearly, he's seen with his friends late at night. This is the Juhu area. So if this man believes that after, having suffered that accident, he's seen outside, partying perhaps with his friends, why is it that the cops can't locate him? 6 teams have been formed, like I just said. The Maharashtra Chief Minister has also said that the law is equal for everyone and there is going to be a thorough investigation.
जो मुंबई में हिट एंड रन का जो घटना जो हुई है, बहुत ही दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है, दुखद है और मैंने पुलिस के साथ बात की है, मेरी बातचीत हुई है। इसमें कोई भी हो उसको एक नजरिए से देखा जाएगा, किसी को भी बख्शा नहीं जाएगा। कानूनी कार्रवाई जो है वो सख्त की जाएगी नियम के अनुसार। तो जो भी हो, कानून के सामने सब बराबर है।
So even though Eknath Shinde says कि कानून के सामने सब एक बराबर है, but the opposition says nothing doing. That is not how this government has behaved. They continue to target the government.
एकनाथ शिंदे के लोग ऐसे फरार हो जाएंगे, एक दिन एकनाथ शिंदे भी फरार हो जाएगा। एक गुंडों की टोली सरकार चला रही है महाराष्ट्र में, और एकनाथ शिंदे क्या है पूरे देश को मालूम है, हमको भी मालूम है। अगर लॉ एंड ऑर्डर, पुलिस व्यवस्था, कानून उस राज्य में है तो मिहिर शाह को पकड़ लीजिए। उसका नाम शाह है, भूलो मत। शाह, ये भाग जाने वाले लोग हैं क्राइम करके।
शिंदे गुट के एक नेता के घर की गाड़ी है और जिस तरह से इन्होंने हिट एंड रन किया है, मुझे लगता है कि हिट एंड रन के अगेंस्ट महाराष्ट्र सरकार ने कुछ पॉलिसी लाने की आवश्यकता है, जो सरकार ला नहीं रही। पूना में जो घटना हुई वो भी ऐसा ही था।
We have both Arunil and Shivani joining us live, and both of them, remember, are tracking this story. Arunil, before I come to you, Shivani, to you, what is the latest we are hearing? And why is it, that the cops are unable to trace him? Do they even want to catch this man or not? Or they want to ensure that this is a story that can die its own death after the media will stop asking questions?
Interestingly, we have also raised question to the investigating officer on also the senior most officer here, where they say that constantly we are looking after the CCTVs, we are tracking down the eyewitnesses' statement, but certainly statements of the accused allegedly have not been recorded. In fact, the victim says that he has seen the Neta's son driving the vehicle, though the statement has come from the another side that it was a driver riding that particular car and not the Neta's son. And interestingly, now the Mumbai police has issued a lookout circular notice against the alleged accused, the Neta's son here, the Shah, and they have stated that it is expected that he might run away and cross the boundaries of the Mumbai. Then it will be more challenging to find out him, and that is why lookout circular has been issued. But similarly, the CCTVs are still under the scanner. More statements are likely to be recorded so that a comprehensive detail can be given in the report, because as of now, the prima facie does not bring any highlighted information in the case as per the Mumbai police. Okay. They say that we are still unsure of to know who was exactly riding or driving that particular vehicle, though as of now few more statements have been recorded by the Worli police, and after that only a lookout circular has been issued. More CCTVs are being scanned of the accidental area, and also similarly the entire route where the road conducts or where exactly the road leads to, and henceforth more statements will be recorded is what the Worli police as of now has stated.
All right, Shivani, stay with us. Let's push that point a little further with Arunil, who again has been speaking to a lot of people in the investigative agency. And even likewise, Arunil, such incidents again make us ask that, is the law different if you are a VVIP's son or a VVIP's relative? Because clearly the fact that Mihir has been given a long rope, he can be tracked in CCTV footages spotting at a pub, but not by the cops.
Well, Dipti, you basically asked a very pertinent question. Are the cops really willing to find the main accused, that is Mihir Shah in this case? This question basically comes to the fore. The main reason for that is because his father, Rajesh Shah, is from CM Shinde's Shiv Sena party. In the earlier Pune Porsche case, also Porsche case, beg your pardon, also we had seen that how there was an attempt by the accused and his father as well as grandfather to cover up the case, and allegedly there was a help that was provided by NCP MLA, local MLA Tingre as well. In this case also there was an attempt of cover up. The accused in this case tried to change the number plate of his high-end car. He tried to hide his car as well. Yes, the father and the driver both have been arrested. Now, at present, the investigation, 6 investigation teams that have been formed by the Mumbai police, what basically they are doing is, they went to the Juhu bar, spoke to the manager over there as well as the bartenders to find out in what quantity alcohol was consumed by, whether it was consumed or it was, in what quantity it was consumed by Mihir Shah. Attempt has been done to also find out, as Shivani was pointing out, to go through the CCTV visuals at the accident spot as well as the road leading to the accident spot as well. The exit point of Mumbai is being thoroughly screened by the city police to find out whether the accused, who primarily belongs to Palghar, which is around 80 to 100 kilometers from Mumbai, really escaped from the city to some other hideout outside the city limits. The reason that has been seen as Mumbai police primarily is that for the accused to abscond like this is to evade or to ensure that the alcohol test is not valid now. If at all an alcohol or a blood test is done now, there will be no trace of alcohol in the blood, and that is why the sections become weak on the concerned driver. But yes, it is an extremely heart-wrenching case wherein Mihir Shah, who was seen going through a high-end bar in Juhu, after that he wants to drive his own car while having a long drive, basically rams into a motorcycle. The woman is been flung into the air. She lands on the bonnet of the car. He basically drives for around 2 kilometers. The woman is immediately rushed to the hospital, but she cannot be saved, unfortunately. This reminds us of the horrific Pune Porsche case as well. In that case also, till now, no proper justice has been given to those two youngsters. In this case also, we hope that something is done and justice is given to this Kohli family from Worli, who basically lost the woman. Remember, the woman and the man had gone to earn their livelihood. They had gone to Sasundog to get fish from the market, which they are going to sell in their local market. But a rich man decides to basically drive his car allegedly under the influence of alcohol.
Arunil, had this been anyone else, any other common person, behind the wheels in the car, he would have not just been called for questioning, being picked up, being arrested, he would have been behind bars. We all know that. That's exactly how the system works. For the moment, I'm thanking both Arunil and Shivani for getting us the latest as far as it comes to the investigation. But let's quickly introduce what has happened on the story so far. Let's have a face to the story clearly, because she is the lady, Kaveri, who was on board that scooty. And her scooty, and this BMW is what meet with that accident. And the BMW comes ramming into her scooty. She loses her life. She succumbs to her injury. She was all of just 45. She was actually going, like Arunil just said, when it comes to her basic income issues. So she was just on her way to work. And then you have Rajesh Shah. He's a Shiv Sena leader. He belongs to the Shinde Sena. And his son, Mihir, who right now is missing. So what happened is that this person, Mihir, is sitting in that BMW, the one that rams into Kaveri's car. She loses her life. Rajesh Shah now has been arrested, so has the driver, but this man, Mihir, is still missing. So is someone trying to shield him? Is he being shielded only because he's a Neta's son? The Neta is linked to the Chief Minister. The Chief Minister has again and again said, nothing doing, laws sabke liye barabar hai. To kya कानून सबके लिए बराबर होगा? Will we see action happening? We do not know about the cops, but Times Now is tracking that story very, very closely, and we promise that we'll continue to ask questions, and we want to know who and why is Mihir not being caught. Let's quickly, in fact, head into a break right now as we'll track that story and much more when we come back on the other side. Don't go anywhere.